how awesome my lawyer is and the fact that they're trying to hide this information. What?
Ann Holmes, are you also still there? Yesterday, I think, or Monday, I forget which. Stating that he has abandoned the kids and that he's been unreachable. His phone number hasn't changed. I've been in constant contact with him for months. He hasn't had any case planning or any services, again, for months. So that's where we're at. Okay, thank you, Kristen. Joanne, what are the other activities that we're looking for from Randy? I have not been in touch with Randy. I have searched for him. I've called the phone numbers I have. I've gone out driving around to the addresses that I have. So I have not been able to reach him at all. So I really want to reconnect with Randy and figure out where he's at. My understanding when I got the case is that he had been working with RCPC. And I don't know of any other services that he's completed. So did you complete the parental
I have completed every single thing before time. Whatever is going on, whatever addresses, the department has always had my phone number, my dad's phone number, my address, as well as my emails. This absence of communication is not acceptable for me to be told that I abandoned my children.
Okay, all I can say is that I've been trying desperately to find you since I got the case in June. So if I could just get your phone number and we can reestablish, that would be helpful for me. Okay, and this is Kristen, and I will point out that nobody reached out to my office at all to inquire of Mr. Francis. And additionally, we have phone records showing no calls to Mr. Francis's phone from OCS. Okay, I'm going to jump in, guys, because this isn't a court hearing, and this definitely sounds like something that certainly needs to be brought up at the next hearing. And we're not going to be able to resolve anything today. However, it sounds like we do have all parties on the line. So, Randy, if you wouldn't mind providing Joanne with your current phone number, that way she has it.
Like I said, I will give an email because of an email would be better, and it should still be on file from Candace Davis or Jessica or Sean Goggins. It is Yeshua Francis, lowercase letters, 20@gmail.com.
Okay, and what's your phone number?
My phone number will be a messaged phone number. It will be, again, 907-460-7834.
7834?
Yes, ma'am, which should still be on file.
A message phone number?
Mm-hmm.
And are you still living in Alaska?
Yes, I am.
Okay, because the mother told me she thought you moved to New York, so...
I have no affiliation with the mother. Anything she says towards me is void. I have not been around the mother for over a year. So whatever she says has nothing to do with me.
Going to respond on the record to what he's saying. I can respond privately to him and to appropriate other both parties as necessary and needed. Okay, I just didn't want to turn it over to him without turning it past you. I understand. All right, so Mr. Francis, I will give you an opportunity to say anything you'd like to say right now. There's no motion on the table. There's no decision for the court to make right now, but if you want to have any thoughts or opinions noted for the record, I'll give you an opportunity to do so, sir.
I just really want to say there should have been no reason that I was not contacted if trial happened for 2 days and nobody contacted me, and they just admitted that they had my information on record. Knowing that if I knew that I was supposed to be there, I would have been there. That's strike 2, because it happened for 2 days. And if I did miss the first day, you're telling me, you being my lawyer, you couldn't contact me. I'm calling Hokum. Email has been the same for years. The number hasn't changed. So I'm letting y'all know that y'all sat there and proceeded for 2 days in a row without contacting me at all. Even if it was going on, somebody could have emailed me or used that phone number during that whole time, knowing that you knew I would have wanted to be there. And now after all of the abuse, the burn marks, the scrapes, the lies, the false statement, which I have, at the 7 years, y'all telling me y'all drugging my kids. And you don't understand the repercussions that's going to happen because of what you all decided to do and neglecting this the whole time. I've been through 14 caseworkers and 14 lawyers, 5 SSGs and 3 GALs. This is going to come out because this is an abomination what y'all did to me and my family, and going to sit here and play pretend in my face the whole 7 years. That's all I gotta say, man. Y'all know what's coming. God's wrath is gonna be on your lives. This is God's judgment because he watched you all for 7 years do what you did to me and my kids, and now you're drugging them. I can't help you guys anymore. God have mercy on everybody's soul who touched my fucking case. I'm gonna come against what these people have done, bro. It's like that. And not only that, so now you got the underworld, the underworld, the spirit realm, and the angels, and the things. Now you got extraterrestrials. Everything that is created is coming against these people. Anybody buy them? Look, see what I mean? Everything's gonna, their whole lives are gonna crumble except for this. That's the end of it. That's what I got out of just now. Everything else is they're gonna be swept away like how those cards just came out of my hand, and what's gonna stand is them. And it's a what? A fucking 7. Is that a 7? I'm fucking tripping. That was the last card. That was the first card. And that's the last card in my hand. Y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching.